Hello friends, welcome back to the video series in Oracle PL/SQL programming. In the previous videos, we have already discussed on character, numeric, date and conversion functions on Oracle SQL. In this video, we will discuss on the general functions on Oracle SQL. So what general functions do? Practically, general functions are intended for deal with the null value. So for the demonstration, open the SQL Plus and log into the Oracle database. Log using the username, system and the password is password throughout the video series, as you know. So we are now connected to the Oracle database, and here at first type the clear screen for the better view or clearing the screen. Suppose we have a table EMP test and it contains the columns name, salary and commission. So DESC EMP test. Now select star or asterisk from EMP test. As you see, the employee 4 and employee 5 have no commission. In fact, the null value has been inserted into the commission field of these two particular employees. Also, it has an employee 8, which has also the null value in the commission field. So if we want to get the full salary using statement or expression like select name, comma, salary, comma, salary plus, that must be salary, salary plus salary into or asterisk, then commission, end of parenthesis, as full salary from EMP test, semicolon, press enter. In that case, what happens? As for employee 4 and employee 5, commission is null, and also for employee 7 and 8. We also get the full salary as null for the two employees or the employees 4 and 5. But this is not the desired output. In fact, in that case, we can use the NVL function. Let's check what happens with the NVL function. Practically, this NVL function has two parameters. At first, clear the screen for better view. Select name, comma, salary, comma, salary plus, here we are writing salary plus, sorry, that must be into or asterisk, then NVL, that particular function, and here commission, comma, 0, end of parenthesis and end of parenthesis for the next one, as full salary from EMP test, semicolon. As already said, that NVL function has two parameters. The first one is the commission. If the first parameter is not null, then it is returning the value and multiplied with the salary. The second one parameter is 0. If the first parameter is null, then second parameter is returning, that is 0, is multiplication with the salary. Now we have to remember both the parameter values would be of the same data type. Let's check what is the output. Now here we can see the employee 4 and employee 5 have the full salary. So what happens? As in the previous cases, full salary was null for the employees whose commission is also null. Here at least the salary is the value as full salary for these employees. Let us now discuss about another NVL function, and this is NVL2, which has 3 parameters. Let's check what happens. Here select name, salary, now we are typing NVL2. Then the first one parameter is the commission. The second one is within single quote salary plus practically that is a string, then no that means for commission, end of the single parenthesis. As we are changing the status or the heading name as salary status from EMP test. The first parameter, commission. If commission is not null, remember not null, the second parameter is the value. So the second parameter, if the first parameter is not null, value is salary plus commission. Then the third parameter. If first parameter is null, third parameter come into the scene. Always remember, the second parameter and the third parameter have to be of same data type. So check the output. So in that case, we are getting for the employee 4 and employee 5 have no commission as the status or in the heading salary status. So this is how we can deal with null with NVL and NVL2 functions or methods. Now let's check with another method, COALESCE, that is COALESCE, which can take any number of arguments. Let's check it. At first clear the screen for the better view. Type the statement select name, salary, then COALESCE, COALESCE, within parenthesis commission, then salary, then 10,000, end of parenthesis, as the heading salary status from EMP test, semicolon. Although here we are passing 3 arguments, we can pass more arguments in the COALESCE method. Now press enter and check the output. What happens? COALESCE returns the first not null value. So if commission is null, salary is returned as output. But if commission is null, and also salary is null. Here fixed value 10,000 is the output, as here for the employee 8. Let's check once again. It is for all the records. Select start from EMP test. As you know, here for the employee 7 it has no salary, and for employee 8 it has no salary and also no commission. So here for the employee 8, using the COALESCE method, we are getting the salary status as only the salary. So COALESCE returns the first not null value from the arguments. So these are some common general functions used in Oracle SQL. In the next video, we would work on the user creations. That is how to create a new user and giving the privileges to the new user.